Okay, I'm going to have you do some multiplication problems that have a lot of negative ones tacked on. Okay, different number of negative ones tacked on. And we're going to, for now, just think about a negative one as an opposite again. Okay, so for that top problem, I have a picture of the top problem. Okay, the top problem says 2 times negative 4. Okay, so what I have here is a picture of two groups of negative 4. Okay, so you want to write down what the answer to that is first. I mean, you're going to have a problem just like this or similar to it. So I'm going to type in 2 times negative 4 equals a negative 8. And my next problem is taking that 2 times negative 4. Okay, I already have that here, right? So I'm going to take that 2 times negative 4, and then I'm going to multiply that by another negative 1, which means take the opposite. Okay, use the opposite switch for that. So for that second problem, I have 2 times negative 4. I'm going to take that third number, which is a negative 1, treat that as an opposite, and switch it. Okay, so I get positive 8. So for that second problem, I had 2 times negative 4 times a negative 1, which think of as a switch, and I end up with positive 8. And let's do one more. 2 times negative 4 times negative 1 times negative 1. Okay, first I want to go back to the original because I want to think about 2 times negative 4 again. Okay, the original problem was 2 times negative 4. Okay, now I need to multiply it by 2 more negative 1s, which means to switch it twice. Okay, so here's my 2 times negative 4 with my original. Switch it once, and then switch it a second time. That'll give me back to the original answer of negative 8. So I would type in 2 times negative 4 that I started with, multiplied by 2 more negative 1s, which is basically 2 more switches, and that will end up with negative 8. I have one more problem. Just kind of play with this. See if you can see patterns as you do the next problem. And I'll give you a little hint. Think about odd number of negative signs compared to even number of negative signs that are multiplied together. Okay, see what you can do with the next problem.